The rain falls a little differently at the world's finest residences. From the first roll of thunder, our sky decks become front row seats to nature's lightning shows. Cappuccino and old books find their way to balconies, and time slows to savor the petrichor and watch the storm clouds roll in. In the gardens below, umbrellas bloom amongst the flowers, and wide-eyed children and furry pups race the rain, their peals of laughter echoing as bare feet splash through wet grass. At Lodha, the monsoon doesn't simply arrive. It returns like a beloved guest, familiar and always welcome.